Assalamualaikum, this is Saima Taj. I'm from KotrI. Currently, I am enrolled in the PITP Phase 2 Batch 2 course, which is affiliated to Mehran University, Jamshoro. Let me tell you that what is graphic designing. Basically, graphic designing is a visual communication through which we talk with our clients with typing and with pictures, etc. Basically, in this course, graphic designing course, we have learned two softwares. The first one is Photoshop and the second is Adobe Illustrator. Now, what we have learned in the Photoshop, in this basically we have learned different tools, that how to use marquee tool, how to use selection tool, how to use typography, and how to select the colors. And also we have learned different principles or the basic principles of graphic designing. So basically we were assigned total 5 assignments. The first assignment was of the movie poster which I have designed, and the next 2 to 5 assignments were of Adobe Illustrator, in which we have to design ID cards, business cards, we have to design our logos as well, and we have to design the social website post and brochures as well. When we were about to complete a 2-month course, at the end we were assigned the project, the final project, which consists 50 marks. So in this project, what we have to do, basically we have to come with the startup ideas. So the startup idea I thought is of the scented candles and the perfume. So let me tell you the name of my startup. It is the Mushk, M-U-S-H-K. So what is Mushk? Basically, Mushk is a startup of crafted scented candles and the perfumes. In this Mushk, I have designed my logo, the logo of my brand or startup. Along with, I have designed business card, ID card and brochure, social media post and billboard as well. Currently, I am doing a business which is home-based business, and in that business, I am designing along with my sister, which is of crafted candles and perfumes. So basically, I didn't give in any name to it, but after being assigned of the final project, I came with the name of Mushk. My vision is to be a great graphic designer, and this startup basically I have designed in my final project. I want to continue this, what I have learned in the graphic designing. Thanks to the Sindh government, Mehran University and PITP who gave us this amazing opportunity to learn about graphic designing. And also they have provided us amazing teachers and the amazing facilities as well. I just want to say to the girls who are sitting at homes that please come out of your homes and learn these courses, because these are free of cost and you can earn in dollars just sitting at your homes on social websites like Fiverr, LinkedIn, etc. Thank you so much.